Today, I do my banking using a mobile app without having to log into a VPN or a specific workstation. Data center operations should work off of this same premise. Any data center manager can tell you stories about how they were at dinner when they received a panicked call. It's your admin telling you there's something wrong with your data center. Suddenly, dinner is long forgotten. And now, they're on a fact-finding mission to determine the criticality and the cause of the issue. Who's on duty? Are they on site? Does the rest of the building have electricity? Depending on the scenario, the time spent in this initial exchange could mean the difference between experiencing downtime or averting disaster. I'm Victor Avalar, and this is just one example of how I believe data center maintenance and operations are poised for major changes through digital remote monitoring. Download White Paper 237 to learn more.